Hello everybody, and today this is going to be a little different to what I usually do. It's going to be an LPS video, so let's get started. Okay, well first we have to start building this cafe. Yeah, let's start building this cafe. I'm kind of tired. I woke up like 1 o'clock in the morning, but it's a weekend. So, just because it's a weekend doesn't mean I can't wake up at 12 o'clock in the morning. Anyways, I'm going to go sleep in one of the beds. Okay, well, since Carly can't help, I guess we have to do this by ourselves. Well, it doesn't look too hard. All you have to do is these blocks and all this stuff. Well, that's a lot of stuff, Melanie. I know. Let's just get started on building a cafe. Wait, what are you using for this table? It's a bed? Well, shouldn't you use a real table? It's the only thing I could find. I guess it can work. It looks like a table when you turn it over. Okay, let's just keep building this. Here, can you help? Sure. One, two, three, four. 1, 2, 3. 4. Now, this one. Now, what are we gonna do with all this stuff? I'm not sure. Hello, everybody. And today that was just part 1 of LPS construction site. There will be a part 2 coming soon. I hope I can make it. And shout outs go to All About Meep, Lamb Cam, and 7 Supergirls. If you want to shout out next week, comment down below what LPS you want and what LPS is your favorite. Bye!